Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how you can view someone's private account in Instagram. So there are two methods. I will explain step by step, but you have to watch this video till end. Method 1. So first of all you have to open Instagram, and here you have to open the profile which is private account in Instagram. Now you have to copy the username, as my username is DEBAP6.6. Now I have to open an application that is called DPStar, which is available in Play Store. Also the link for this application I will give you in the description. Now whatever you have to do is to type your username here and search, and you can see the profile photo from here. You can save this photo. You will get the clear and original photo. You can also share this photo to anyone in WhatsApp, Facebook. Now the second method is you have to open the Instagram and open the profile of that account which is private. Here you have to click on 3-dot menu option, and here you have to click on copy profile URL. After that you can open Chrome or any browser. If it will be UC browser then it is better, but I am opening Chrome. Here you have to paste that link and click on OK. Now the profile will come in front of you. You have to tap and hold on the profile picture and click on open in new tab. So the picture has been opened in new tab, and this was the picture you are getting from that account. If you have any problem related to this topic or any topic, then you can comment below. I will help you in resolving that.